The courtroom is filled to capacity as 4 state governors from Plateau, Bauchi, Sokoto and Kano states await the verdict of the court in cases challenging the elections. One after the other, the Apex Court dismissed the appeals challenging the victory of the affected governors. Justice Sylvester Nguta dismissed the appeal filed by the All Progressives Congress and its governorship candidate Mohammed Abubakar, challenging the election of Senator Bala Mohammed as a governor of Bauchi State for lacking in merit. The same fate befell the appeal challenging the election of Governor Simon Lalong of Plateau State, as the 7-man panel dismissed the appeal filed by retired General Jeremiah Hussaini of the People's Democratic Party. The lawyers to Senator Bala Mohammed and Mr. Simon Lalong react to the judgment.
We are very happy that we have won. You remember we won at the polls, we won at the election tribunal, we won at the Court of Appeal, and now we have also won at the Supreme Court.
Supreme Court has delivered its judgment. It's based on 2 concurrent findings, and as you have heard from them, the appeal fails on all grounds.
The counsel represented one of the appellants, Jeremiah Hussaini, goes philosophical in his comments on the judgment.
The Supreme Court itself has said in Adegoke's case that it is final in the sense of all finality, not because it is infallible. It is infallible because it is final.
The earlier judgments delivered by the court also saw the appellants losing their appeals, as the court affirmed the election of Governor Abdullahi Ganduje of Kano State and Governor Aminu Tambuwal of Sokoto State. Although the lawyer to the appellants were unavailable for comments, the lawyer to Governor Ganduje and that of INEC applaud the verdict of the court.
Since the allegations which they made was not consistent with the sole ground which they based the petition on, if there was no basis upon which the court or the tribunal would have considered the allegation which they made.
Though the election was keenly contested and the margin was very narrow, very small, but unfortunately they couldn't present cogent and sufficient evidence to warrant the Supreme Court to dissolve the decision of both the election tribunal and the Court of Appeal Sokoto decision.
With a tone of finality, the Apex Court held that the appellants were unable to prove the invalidity of the elections by virtue of alleged non-compliance with the Electoral Act.